Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for
Volvo S80. You don't see these every day in the exhaust shop, getting custom work, which we love. That's why we love doing what we do. V8 Beast S80 Volvo. Got two converters up there on the manifold, two secondaries there. Then it's got a resonator dual in, single out. Then it singles out 3-inch all the way over the rear axle. Then it wides back out on each side, there and there. And what we did is did a muffler delete on it, there and there. And then some 3-inch pipe to finish it off. 3-inch tips out the back, there. And they're black angle cut. There'll be a link in the description for them, guys. There they are right there. Really nice, really clean. Nothing crazy. And then the two mufflers that were on it are right there. There's the stock mufflers that were on it. We cut off and replaced them with straight pipe. So it's got a muffler delete on it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. It's got custom lights on it too. I like that. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. So now you know. Whoa! That's not bad at all. Everything's out of a Volvo, guys. That sounds mean. Again? $109. I like it. Gotta admit, that's sick. That sounds mean. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Muffler delete, black tips. Are you guys imagining this out of a Volvo S80? It's the only year in 2008 that came with a V8. Really nice car. That sounds sick. Enjoy, guys.